Welcome to Cooking with Peggy Holiday Edition. Today is day 3 of our special holiday series of 12 days of baking. Yesterday we made shortbread buttons with Hershey Kisses, and today we are making a family favorite for everybody, I'm sure, Rice Krispie treats. I love this time of year when they come out with the holiday Rice Krispies and they're red and green mixed in with the regular Rice Krispies so that it looks very festive when you make this for a treat. So this is a very simple recipe. I always make this for our extended family holiday because my brother-in-law Mike doesn't like chocolate and he likes Rice Krispie treats and snickerdoodles, and I always try to make something that he can enjoy as well. So let's get started. First the ingredients are very simple. You need half a cube of butter, 5 to 6 cups of Rice Krispies, and a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. So let's get started. So I'm using a glass bowl because I use the microwave for this. Some people melt this on the stove, but I've found that it's pretty simple to melt this in the microwave. We dump in our marshmallows, dump in our cube of butter, half a cube of butter, and put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes, stir it up, and add our Rice Krispies. So you want to make sure that your bowl is large enough that the marshmallows don't expand over the sides in the microwave. Anywhere between 3 and 4 minutes, even though it doesn't look like it's melted, it is melted for when I start stirring it up. I usually spray the wooden spoon that I use with Pam so that the marshmallows don't stick to it quite as badly as they normally do. We just stir it up with the butter, and then we will be adding our 5 cups of marshmallows. We like ours a little bit saucier, so we use 5 cups rather than 6, but you can do it to taste. Here's 2 cups of our 5 cups of Rice Krispies, not marshmallows, and here we go. We've got 2 more and our final cup, and we will stir this all together. It is a little tough to stir, but you just want to make sure that your Krispies are coated with the marshmallows, and then we'll spread it in the pan. Okay, I'm spreading the marshmallow and Rice Krispies in my bowl, my 13 by 9 pan. I use a piece of wax paper, and I spray this with Pam as well so that we can spread it out and it doesn't stick. Let's get that all taken care of. Just spread it out. So we'll let these harden a little bit. Rice Krispie treats, as I'm sure you all know, are best enjoyed soon after you make them so they don't get too hard and brittle. If you need to store them, I found putting them in a Ziploc bag keeps them moist and chewy and just delicious for the holidays. Merry Christmas. We'll see you tomorrow.